Homelessness in Jacksonville, I've been here 21 years helping individuals dealing with homelessness, and fortunately we have seen a decrease, but we still see a need for individuals who maybe suffer from a mental health issue or drug addiction, and that's where we can really come in and help.
I'm Todd Holder, Division President of KB Home here in Jacksonville. What's important to me about giving back is, this is the community where we all live, work, and obviously build homes. And days like today give us a chance to reflect and look back on, the challenges that everyone's facing within our community. It's refreshing that our company embraces this, and obviously the partnership with Sackcloth and Ashes in donating a blanket for every homeowner that we give a blanket to goes a long way. So it's wonderful for our team to be here today to experience what less fortunate people are going through, and obviously this is something we hope we can continue to rally around here in Jacksonville and throughout our company.